Hey everyone! If you want to manage files across cloud storage services, synchronize data, create backups, or transfer files between different platforms, Rclone is one of the most powerful tools available. In this video, I'll show you how to install Rclone from start to finish in 2026. First, let's briefly understand what Rclone is. Rclone is a command line tool that allows you to connect and manage many cloud storage providers, including Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Amazon S3, Backblaze, and many others. To begin, visit the official Rclone website and download the version that matches your operating system. If you're using Windows, download the Windows release package. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file to a folder on your computer. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find the Rclone executable. You can run it directly from that folder or add its location to your system path, so you can use Rclone from any command prompt or PowerShell window. If you're using macOS, you can install Rclone using the official download package or through a package manager such as Homebrew. After installation, open the terminal application and verify the installation by checking the installed version. If you're using Linux, installation can often be completed using the official installation script or your distribution's package manager. And that's how to install Rclone in 2026. With proper installation and configuration, Rclone becomes a powerful tool for managing files across local systems and cloud storage platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.